Welcome back to Irish Old School Tumblers. On this gloomy day, there's big showers on the way, so I have a very busy evening. So the purpose of this video is to show you how far these birds are going to range. Not tumbling performance or anything like that, because some of them are tumbling, some of them haven't started to tumble yet, etc. So this isn't about tumbling. This is about showing you the fitness of these birds and their eagerness to fly when they're let out. Immediately they'll go up into the sky and range for miles. They will go out complete sight for 15 minutes and then all of a sudden come back, and then they'll fly around and start tumbling when they get it out of their system. I have other kits to fly as well, so again, this won't be a long video. The purpose of this video is just to show you how far they're ranging. It's quite unbelievable. So anyway, I'm going to pause these and get the birds out and show you as quick as I can. Now that's the birds out, so we will see which direction they choose to take. Hopefully they'll stay this side of the house. Probably not. We'll go around to the far side. Hopefully I can catch this properly. Yeah, they're going to take this path. Now, interesting to see now, do they stay this side? Sometimes they change sides on which way they're going to range. Yeah, they're going that way. Hopefully now they will stay in line for the camera. Oh, my luck, they won't. There's a couple of them tumbling there already, which is fine. Oh. It'll be my luck now that they are going to range away in line with the tree. Oh God. Oh. Come on, prove me wrong. Oh, coming back this way now. This is interesting. It's a good height. I love the height they're at. They're going on that way now again, I'd say. I'll try and zoom in on them wherever they are. Yeah. Zoom in some more without completely messing up the picture, but as you can see, they are at some distance. Look at that. That's it, gone. That's an incredible distance now. Now, there's my ordinary view of the camera. That's how far they go. They'll go even further. I just can't pick it up on the camera or even through my own eyesight. They just completely disappear, which is brilliant. Again, it doesn't prove their performing abilities. This is just to show their willingness to get up and fly, to range. They'll stay gone now for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and all of a sudden they could come this way, they could come back the same way. You know, it's unbelievable. So I'm delighted I got to show you that. Just having a quick look. No, can't see them. Completely gone. No point in even trying. So yeah, as I said, it's just a very, very quick video just to get them up and show you exactly what way the first round is performing, because I haven't put up any videos of them. So that's just to show you. I'll just give you a quick look of the second round now. I'll pause this and give you a quick look, because it's absolutely going to bull rain, as you can see. And I ain't getting drowned this evening, so I'll pause this now. So there's the second round. They're shaping up very well now, to be fair. Can't complain. They're looking older and older as the weeks go by. But they're just coming in and out nice and handy. Nothing crazy, you know, and I'm very happy with that. I'm taking my time with the birds. There's no stressing them out or trying to make them fly. That'll all come in its own time. So it will. Some crackers in there. So there is. So anyway, there's the rain. So I'll have to wrap it up on that one, folks. So anyway, I'll keep you updated as much as I can. And yeah, that's it for me. Until next time, keep it old school.